Today, we'll explore the Frameworks and Resources Importer and how to leverage it within the regulatory compliance solution, as well as with other solutions that leverage frameworks, models, and regulations. In this demonstration, I have an organization with the regulatory compliance solution already loaded in. Our goal is to import one of the reference regulations that we provide as standard data. To do this, I'll navigate to the Import and Integrations page. From the integrations homepage, I can see the Frameworks and Resources section. Let me click on that now. This page displays all of our frameworks, industry models, regulations, and reference resources that are available. You can switch between grid view and list view for easier browsing. Our current library includes the TOGAF architecture framework, industry frameworks for various sectors such as BAN, APQC for business processes, several business capability models, risk management frameworks such as MITRE, control frameworks such as NIST, and regulations such as DORA, CPS 230, and GLBA. And we will continuously expand this reference library to provide more valuable resources for our customers. So for this example, I'll import the GLBA regulation into our organization. When I select the regulation GLBA, it shows me which component types will be created, the target workspace for the import, and then if there are any references or reference types that are part of this, it'll show me that on the Reference Types tab. Since we are just importing the regulation itself, no additional references will be added. Now, I'll proceed through the import workflow by clicking Review Import. So here we can see it will create one workspace called Regulation GLBA. It'll create 35 components within that workspace and 2 fields on those components. I click Next on the import, and now I will open the workspace to see what was imported. Here we can see the regulation GLBA workspace has been opened, and we can see the framework that has been loaded in. We can see the 35 components that have been created. To leverage other resources, other reference data within the frameworks and resources importer, you can follow this exact same process for any of the other materials.